photograph in which we were in love, caught in your eyes, waiting for the sunrise.
Put the pork and mix it a little bit. Then put the brown sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black ground pepper. 1/4 cup soy sauce, 1/4 cup of oyster sauce. Nagnuta na. 1/4 cup of the broth from, and I put the cornstarch, and then 1/4 cup of Sprite or pineapple juice, or it's optional, so you can skip that one if you don't like that. And big leaf. Use big leaves, then star anise. You can use star anise too if you want. They both have a good benefit in our body, so, and almost the same taste. Yeah, we're almost done here. Okay lang, okay. Then you need to cool this down and put it in the fridge for a day or half day, or while waiting for your dough to rise. Me, I'm gonna make the dough tomorrow because my order will be tomorrow, so this is just for preparation for tomorrow. And it's more, the taste of the and the consistency of the pork will be good if it's cold. Dry ingredients: milk, sugar, and some salt. And then now we're gonna mix it up a little bit. Put the yeast. Yeah, we need to get this one. Then put the oils. Perfect. Yeah, can go. Form a circle and cover it with plastic. Okay, now I'm gonna make asado. Okay, put it on the, just on the sides. Okay, the sides, 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 sides. Yeah, so like that. May bump dito sa yung needle para hindi siya aawas. Hindi mag-awas. That 1 tablespoon. Okay. I grabbed the teaspoon, so. Okay, just like that. Iyon man ako ang table, oy. Okay. 1 tablespoon full. Just like that. So then you like yung instruction when I made the dough. It's really soft yung dough. It's perfect for the SIOPAO also, if you're making a SIOPAO out of this kind of dough. Masarap din kasi yung steam. Yung SIOPAO. But, you know, if you have oven, then make it like this. If not, then you can have another option, the steaming. Very easy lang. Pili lang kayo ng steamer kasi mas mura yung steamer. Okay? Yan. Button.